Alright guys, so today we are looking for some of the best deals for this week. I know 4th of July will be here before we know it, so I'm curious to know if there's anything specific you are looking for. Feel free to share in the comments, and also don't forget to give this video a like since that truly helps out my channel very much. As always, I appreciate your support, and well, let's get right to it. So I'm going to start off in the kitchenware section, starting off with these Blendjets. These are the original portable blenders. They come in a 2-pack, and this is actually the 2024 edition. But to be honest with you, I'm not sure what the difference is between this one and the one they had previously. But it does have $10 off right now until July 4th. I've noticed that these go on sale quite often, so I would definitely recommend to buy them only whenever they have a coupon to them. So you have 2 of them in each pack, 2 of different colors, and I've heard these are great especially for people who are constantly on the go, and especially if you really like to make smoothies or protein smoothies for that matter. Now, if you've been keeping up with my videos, you would know that this Ninja Foodie is being discontinued. We've mentioned that before. And this one used to sell at one point for $130. I did find it though in the Puente Hills location going for $79. And I will say this one was the last one left. I don't think this is going to last, to be honest. It's a great price. This is what it looks like. It's of a really nice size, especially if you have like a bigger family. And I remember with this product, if you remove the middle divider, you get obviously the big air fryer, or you can make it into 2 5.5 quart baskets. So it's a pretty nice option. I'm not sure how long this is going to last. I have one of these Shark Flexstyles, and one thing I can say about it is that it dries my hair super fast. Definitely quicker than my Walmart hairdryer that's like, I don't know, maybe like 15 years old. I really liked it, but this one is such an upgrade. It has $50 off right now, and there's so many tools included in here. Not only the hairdryer, but you also have like the curling the curling attachment that you put in the regular hairdryer, and then you also have some brushes where you can give your hair some volume. And then my favorite part is also the diffuser. For me that I have wavy hair, that thing is just such a lifesaver. If you're going to be heading into Costco this week, I would highly recommend for you to keep an eye on these non-slip cutting board sets from the brand Sabatier. You have 3 pieces in total, and I found these going for $7, the cheapest price I've seen so far. I want to say these were selling close to around $16, $15 or so if I remember correctly, but they only have this color option you can choose from. I personally haven't tried this brand. I know usually Costco only carries Sabatier or Henkel. Those are the only 2 brands I've seen when it comes to cutting boards, but these also seem like they could be a pretty nice option. I've spotted the stainless steel microwave oven on sale as well. This one has 1,200 watts and 1.3 cubic feet. This one has $30 off currently until July 14th. Normally sells for $150, but right now the price comes down to $120. I spotted this new arrival at Costco. It's a beach lounger with a tray table. And one of the things here that caught my attention is the fact that you can use a tray table as a little backrest. So I thought that was pretty nice. This one seems very portable. It does have the little shoulder straps where you can carry it like as a backpack. And then you fit the little tray table on the inside. So I thought this was a really nice invention, especially if you like going to the beach, especially for this summer, right? They have 2 different designs to choose from. I spotted it in a little bit of a Hawaii theme, and the other one was definitely a little bit more of a stripe color. But those are pretty nice. These are currently selling for $30. I feel like there's a little bit of a learning curve when cooking with stainless steel products, and I'm kind of still figuring it out myself. But this is a really nice set from the Calon brand. And some of these pieces do have lids to them. I'm sure some of these even fit some of the fry pans possibly. But this one right now is on sale with $40 off, and only a couple more days to take advantage of this one. Seems like it's going to be ending on June 30th. Normally sells for $200, but right now the price comes down to $160. Here's everything that is included in the set. One of my aunts actually has this 16-piece set. It's a food storage set, and you have tons of them of different sizes. One of my aunts really likes these, by the way. So it has right now $10 off. Normally sells for $30, but right now with the $10 off, the price pretty much comes down to $20, but again, only for a limited time. Here's some information regarding the 3 different sizes that you get in this set. And I know my aunt likes to freeze some of her leftovers in these, considering they are freezer safe. They are BPA free and microwave safe as well. A couple of months back, I ended up grabbing one of these pillows, and these are standard slash queen size. I didn't notice they would eventually go on sales, but it's been a couple months for me, so no way I can get my money back. But these are on sale again for a limited time. It doesn't happen too often, by the way, so if you've been wanting to replace your pillows, I think it's a great time to take advantage of this one. Now, I didn't notice that they carried actually king size pillows too. And the instant savings actually announces the standard slash queen size on sale, but this one is not announced in the booklet, at least not from what I remember. It has $5 off at the store until July 2nd. I also spotted these queen 6-piece bed sheets on sale. These are from the brand Hotail Signature. I personally haven't tried this brand. Normally I buy the ones, I forgot what the brand is called, but I know they're normally like $14, $15 anytime they have a coupon to them. So they probably normally sell for 20. Those are the ones I usually grab. But these I haven't tried. I did notice though that both queen and king ones are on sale with $10 off. So the queen could be down to $30 and the king down to $40. Here's everything that is included, again, 6 pieces in total. You have the flat sheet, the fitted sheet, 4 standard pillowcases as well, and it says you're 100% cotton. So I'm thinking the material for these must be of pretty good quality, but can anyone confirm? Let me know in the comment section down below. I've actually been looking for a dash cam for quite some time now, and I've noticed options are pretty limited, at least in the warehouse. This one is the 4K dual lens dash cam, and I've noticed when it comes to dash cams, normally they're priced around the $200 range, but this one's priced at $120. But right now with the discount applied, the price comes down to $100, which I think is pretty reasonable. This one has a wide angle to it, and I noticed it also has the crash sensor, which automatically protects crash footage from being erased, which I thought was pretty cool. And then a memory card is also included. So let me know if there is a dash cam that you recommend that I can purchase from Costco, or if you like this one specifically too. I spotted the Harmless Harvest Organic Coconut Water on sale at my local Costco. Now, I've been waiting for the Kirkland Organic Coconut Water to be on sale, but I've never seen that happen. Have you guys spotted that one on sale? Considering this one has $3 off, I've noticed it's a couple cents cheaper compared to the Kirkland one, so I may just go ahead and grab a box of these. These, you get 6 of them per each pack. And then here are the nutrition facts down in the bottom. It says one bottle is around 110 calories. You know, coconut does have sugar in there. This one has around 24 grams, 110 calories in total. So last year when I spotted the Shaka Tea down to a clearance price, I grabbed myself a couple boxes, and guys, I went through them super quickly. So I'm excited to find these on sale finally, since they've arrived to Costco like a couple weeks back. Right now it's selling for $11 for a 12 pack, and I like the fact that these are pretty much like 0 calories for one whole can, 0 grams of sugar. And they taste very refreshing, especially like if you put them in your fridge and they get really, really cold. They're perfect for the summer. The flavors are very mild though. So it has 2 flavors, mango hibiscus and the passion orange guava. I really like both of them. I feel like with this heat, what I've been addicted to lately is just frozen yogurt, and I've been craving boba as well. Has anyone tried this Joyba bubble tea? I like the flavors, mango passion fruit green tea and the strawberry lemonade green tea. Both of them sound so good. I know, of course, when it comes to boba, it's going to have sugar in there, so we'll take a look at that shortly. It has $4 off for a limited time. Let me know if anyone's tried this one. I'm super tempted. So here are the nutrition facts. Around 12 fluid ounces would be the serving size, 150 calories. It does have around 32 grams of sugar, around 33 grams of carbs, and there you have a list of the ingredients. And if anyone likes this organic coconut milk that is unsweetened, just know that it's on sale once again. This one doesn't go on sale too often from what I remember. I actually used to drink this milk, but recently we started switching again just to regular 2% milk. It does have $3 off right now until July 7th, so the price comes down to $9 for each box. And surprisingly, this milk is pretty low calories, 8 fluid ounces for 40 calories, 1 gram of carb, 3.5 grams of fat, and 0 grams of protein. There you also have a list of the ingredients. These are the organic Toasty crunchy snack bars, 12 of them in each box, and you actually have a variety pack, so 3 different flavors, almond, blueberry, cashew, coconut, and peanut dark chocolate. And we all know I love chocolate. $2.50 off until July 21st. You do get 12 of them per each box. And by the way, these are plant-based, guys, and they're also gluten-free. And here's some information regarding the nutrition facts. I know I've tried these a couple months back, but I can't quite remember which flavor I tried. More than likely the chocolate one, and I remember liking it too. Now, if there's one thing I'll be needing for sure this summer, it's insect repellent. And this one right here is lemon eucalyptus oil. And surprisingly or weirdly enough, I actually like the scent. So this one has 8 ounces and normally sells for $15, $3 off right now. So the price comes down to $12. I actually like that the bottles are pretty small. That way I can take one bottle with me anytime I travel. But this one says it repels mosquitoes for up to 6 hours. Can anyone confirm that? Because I really need to know. And you can't forget your sunscreen for this summer. This one right here is by Banana Boat, and you have 3 of them in this box. So it's a spray and lotion combination. It normally sells for $18, but it does have $5 off until July 21st. These are not travel friendly, by the way, considering they are big in size, but they are definitely more geared towards like if you have a large family or if you'll be taking like a family vacation anytime soon. The Scrubbing Bubbles is also on sale right now at Costco. I noticed it has a bathroom grime fighter and then also the Mega Shower Foamer. This one has $4.30 off, so you get 4 bottles for the price of $10.69. I know press and seal could come in very handy right now with the 4th of July coming up. This one is by the brand called Glad, and it is on sale right now. I noticed it with $3 off until July 21st. This little package with 75 platters is at a pretty good price right now considering it is on sale. The Dixie brand always brings quality stuff, I must say. We usually buy these platters even at the original price because they're pretty good quality. $14 normally, but right now it does have $3 off. I'm definitely going to be stocking up. Normally, we just buy the bar soap from the Dove brand, and I always try to pick stuff that says sensitive skin because for me, I do have sensitive skin, so stuff like this works. This is a 3-pack, but it's body wash, and it's obviously like the liquid kind, not the bar soap. It does have $4.50 off. Do you guys feel like the bar soap lasts longer than body wash like this, or vice versa? Let me know what are your thoughts. And that is all the updates that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.